Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change background color on image by using Photoshop. So I'm going to open my Photoshop and then I'm going to input my photo file. I'm going to open, then I'm going to choose my photo, then I open it. So this is my photo that I want to change the background color. So after open, I'm going to select, then select and mask. Yeah, as you see, so I'm going here, view more, view mode, then I choose overlay. Yeah, I can increase some colors. Then I'm going to selection tools, quick selection tools. So I select the place where I want to select. After select my image, I'm going here to show edge. Then I increase the radius. Yeah, like this. Can increase the radius up to here. Then I can press smart radius. After increase the radius, then I remove this stick to the show edge. Then I'm going to this tool. Then if I'm done, I'm going to place decontamination colors, then OK. You will see that my image is selected. So as you see my image is selected, then we're going to this layer and place Alt on your keyboard, then click this layer. You will see the image is turned to black. So go to this tool, brush tool. You can change here to black because the background is black. Then you can reduce the size so as to remove some things. When you are done, you can zoom out to see so when you are done, you can place. As you see, I'm done. So as you see, the image is clear now. So now we need to remove main subject. Now we need to remove main subject from the background. So to do this, first of all, duplicate the background layer by placing Ctrl J in window or Command J for those who are using MacBook. So I press Ctrl J. After then, I'm going to selection tools, then I'm going to select my image. Then so now go to edit, fill the selection, go to content aware tool, then press OK. So now I'm already removed the main subject. So after then, press Ctrl D to unselect. Then I want to put blur. I'm going to filter, blur, lens blur. Then I think here is enough. So I press OK. Yeah, as you see, I put some blur. So I can change the color here. I can change the color. As you see, I have put some blur. So I can change the color. I'm going here, color lookup. I can choose whatever the color I want. Yeah, you can choose whatever the color you want. There's a lot of option. Even this is nice, it's good. So after then, so if you're done, you can reuse it. so you can save your image, or you can increase. So thank you so much for this tutorial.